How to insert or remove the SD memory card on the Sony ZV-E10 camera. So in order for us to insert the memory card, make sure you choose the right SD card. So here is a micro SD card. It is an adapter, so I'm using the micro SD card. So if you have a micro SD card, insert it into an adapter, or you can simply use the standard SD card. Now, if you flip your camera upside down, in here is the battery compartment. So flip the switch across to open it. So push it to the left, and then that will pops up. Here is your SD card compartment. Now you want to have this metal contact facing outward, so like that. And then we're going to slot into that right there. And then you need to push it down. So push it down, and you should hear a click that will lock in place. To remove it, just simply push it down and let go, and that will push up the SD card, and then you can simply pull it out like that. So that's how you can insert or remove the SD card on the Sony ZV-E10. And then we close the compartment, slide the switch across to lock the cover. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.